Buying whole chickens and cutting them up yourself at home is great for a couple of reasons. One, it's cheaper. Buying chicken pieces is more expensive because they paid somebody to do it. And two, you get the bones for soups, stocks, and sauces. So let's go through deboning a chicken. I like to start with the breast. Mother Nature kind of gives you a ruler. It's the backbone. So I slide my knife down the backbone, and you can just kind of cut the breast off that backbone. Really nice and easy. And there you have it. Beautiful breast. So that's step one, and you can do it to the other side. There's some things in the kitchen, when you do it for the first time, they seem really daunting, and then once you do it, you're kind of like, oh, what was the big fuss about? Deboning a chicken is the same way. Get a couple chickens, try it out, experiment. They're pretty easy to do. So there's the breasts. For the legs, you can just put your knife along the backbone, and you want to pop the joint out. That's perfect, and then you can cut the joint and between the leg and the thigh, just like that. And it's really easy to separate the leg from the thigh. There's a sweet spot there. You can kind of feel the joint, and your knife will slide right through, and you get the leg and the thigh. Perfect. It's really easy, and it's great because you can save a little money. The sweet spot again, just take the wings off the joint, and then these tips like to burn, so I just cut them off. And you can kind of feel the joint, and then you're left with a nice wing. Save that for soup, stocks, and sauces. Again, how easy is this? Do me a favor, go out, get yourself a couple whole chickens, play around, save some money, and look what you have. Nice breast meat, the legs, the thighs, the wings, and the bones for stock. And that's how I like to break down a whole chicken.